Back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can set a start and end date for Google Forms. So Google Form actually doesn't have a built-in feature to set a start and end date, but you can achieve this using Google Form settings or Google Sheets with Apps Script. So the first method that you can do is manually close the form. So this is the basic method. If you only need to close the form manually at a specific time, you can just open the form and then click on the responses tab. And in here, you can just toggle off the accepting responses. You can just click on this. And now, the form not accepting any responses again, and here you can also leave a message for respondents such as this form is now closed. And this tips is simple one-time for it's best for simple one-time forms where you manually controls access. The second one, you can also use a Google Forms add-on for easy automations. Since it doesn't have a built-in scheduling features, but add-ons like Form Scheduler can help. So what you need to do is just open the form. Again, let's just open this first. And then click on the three dots icon and tap Get Add-ons. So after the Google Workspace Marketplace is open, you can just search for the Form Scheduler, this one. And then you can just install it on the Google Form. And once the extension is set, you can just set the start date and also the end date and time for your forms and just save settings. You can also use the third method. You can use the auto close Google Forms with Google Apps Script, and this is advanced method. So this method uses Google Apps Script to automatically open and close the form based on date or time. But I suggest you to just use the add-ons to make it easier for you to set the time for your Google Forms. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, click on the thanks. Bye.